Bo's journey to IPO, from dream to reality. Bo had always been a dreamer. Growing up in a small town in Australia, he spent countless hours imagining his future as a successful entrepreneur. Fresh out of college, armed with a degree in business and a head full of ideas, Bo decided it was time to turn his dreams into reality. He wanted to build a business that would change lives, starting with his own. Chapter 1: The Humble Beginning. Bo's journey began in a small shop in Sydney, where he discovered a unique supplier from a remote town who made exceptional fruit juices. Impressed by their quality and taste, Bo decided to buy these juices and sell them in the bustling city. With limited capital, he worked tirelessly, often burning the midnight oil to promote and sell these unique juices. Despite the challenges, Bo's fruit juices began to gain popularity, and his customer base grew steadily. Chapter 2: Meeting Uncle Joe. As Bo's business started to pick up, he realized he needed more funding to scale. Enter Uncle Joe, a seasoned investor known for spotting potential in young entrepreneurs. Uncle Joe was impressed with Bo's passion and offered him seed funding in the form of convertible notes, hoping to convert his notes into equity with future success. This was a pivotal moment for Bo. With Uncle Joe's backing, Bo expanded his business, opened more stores, and increased his turnover. Chapter 3: Securing Series A Funding. Bo's business saw significant growth. However, to take it to the next level, he needed more investment. Bo pitched his business to a group of investors, securing Series A funding. This investment came with commitments. He had 30 days to meet specific milestones. Bo gladly accepted the investment offer. He worked relentlessly, motivating his small team to push their limits. Bo increased store sizes, improved logistics, set up in-house manufacturing operations, and created a new revenue stream through wholesales. Chapter 4: The Challenges of Series B. Bo's success continued, but the journey was far from over. To sustain growth, Bo pitched his business to venture capitalists for Series B funding. This stage was more demanding, requiring proof of profitability, higher sales targets, and substantial investment in research and development (R&D). With the new funds, Bo invested in new technologies to boost his manufacturing capacity. The pressure was immense, but Bo's leadership and vision kept the team focused. After a few intense months, they met the requirements promised to the venture capitalists. Chapter 5: Preparing for the IPO. Bo's business was thriving. Now it was time for the ultimate goal, taking the company public. Bo needed to raise funds to further expand his empire. He had to choose the right underwriter to manage the IPO, balancing cost and reputation. He selected a cost-effective underwriter who believed in his vision. For 10 days, Bo and his team worked on fine-tuning operations, vigorously promoting the IPO plan through marketing exposure and press conferences, ensuring everything ran smoothly. As the IPO day approached, they monitored the market closely. The Dow Jones was a critical factor. Its fluctuations influenced investor sentiment. Fortunately, the market was favorable. The night before the IPO, Bo and his team set the share price, confident in their preparation. On the day of the IPO, excitement buzzed through the office. The shares were offered to the public, and the response was overwhelming. Investors were eager to buy into Bo's vision. By the end of the day, the company's shares were oversubscribed, marking a successful IPO. So there you have it. The journey to IPO was not just a business milestone, but a celebration of the entrepreneurial spirit. Join the growing list of professionals who have embarked on this journey and attained the C1000 certification. This prestigious certification, managed, monitored, and issued by Monsoon Sim, is a testament to your achievement in managing your business, encompassing not only corporate finance but also operational management. You can now experience Bo's journey in various ways. For students at schools with Monsoon Sim subscription, talk to your school's certified facilitator about the new Startup to IPO course. Please note that facilitators must be certified C1000 before they can configure this course. For anyone without Monsoon Sim, students or educators, if you wish to experience this journey, register for the 4-hour express course below to embark on this exciting entrepreneurial adventure. For educators without a Monsoon Sim subscription, if you are considering exploring Monsoon Sim for teaching business courses, including the Startup to IPO course, please visit www.monsoonsim.com and contact us.